Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate the screen on HONOR MagicBook. Most probably you will be rotating your screen because it has been rotated before and you want to revert it. But if you have any other reason for that, you can also do that. So let's go to Start, then Settings, then go to System and Display. Now you can find Display Orientation and you can set it to Landscape Portrait, Landscape Flipped or Portrait Flipped. When you set it to any of those, you need to click on Keep Changes within the first 15 seconds after changing it. Otherwise, it'll revert itself back to the previous state. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.